Hi there, my name is Francois from Merwe and I work for IBM in South Africa. In this video I'm going to show you how to use IBM AppConnect to connect IBM MQ running on IBM Cloud with Google Sheets. So we're going to have MQ as the source and we're going to pick out the data from that message. I'm going to make it some JSON data and we'll move that data into Google Sheets. So what I've got open on my screen is I've got the IBM MQ that I've created on IBM MQ, on IBM Cloud, and in there I've got a queue manager called QM3, and there's a few queues in there. I'm actually going to use this queue called dev.q.1 as my source queue. I've also created an account on Google Sheets, and I'm going to move the data in here. Now if I go in here and I say I want some columns with a name, and maybe I'm going to put in number 1, number 2. That's enough for a demo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use an event-driven flow. Event-driven flow in AppConnect means that there's a trigger message that started somewhere. In AppConnect, there's several applications that I can use as the initial trigger message. When you scroll down in there, you'll see there's several of popular applications out there. So I'm going to use IBM MQ. I've already created an account to log into IBM MQ. And I'm going to say when a new message arrives on the queue, I'm going to move it. I'm going to start this in. The name of the queue is going to be dev.q.1. After I've received this message, I actually want to parse this message out in JSON. So I'm going to go to the JSON parser. And for the input, I'm going to scroll down. You see this is my MQMD of my MQ message. And right at the bottom in here, there's actually the message data. I'm going to select the message data from input. I also want to give it a schema to parse with. I'm going to give it some sample JSON. I've got a copy of what I want to use. So you see in here, in my source data, I've got name, number 1, and number 2. And I'm going to generate a schema from that. And it will generate a schema and now knows how to parse the data that's coming in from MQ. As output data, I'm going to pick Google Sheets. There's my Google Sheets. I've signed on here as an account. And what I want to do is I want to create a row in Google Sheets as soon as I receive this message from MQ. In signing on with there, it will actually go out to Google Sheets and it will ask me which sheet do I want to use. I've actually got a sheet open with the name of demo sheet, so I'll pick demo sheet. It'll go back to that sheet now and try and see which worksheet I'm working on. I've called this one demo 1, so I'm going to pick demo 1. And then in there it actually understands that I've got name, number 1, number 2, and you see it actually picks the column names I've used there. You can see there I've used the space there and no space for number 2, so that's where those fields are coming from. And now I want to put the data in there. Now there's my JSON that's been parsed out. And I'm going to pick the name from there. I'm going to pick the number from the next one. And for the third column, I'm going to pick number 2. And that's all I need to do. I'm going to start this flow now. Start flow. And I can go back to the dashboard. And you see there's my MQ to Google Sheets flow in a running state. If I now go to MQ and I go to dev.q1, I want to put a test message in there. I'm going to paste the data in there. So Francois number 5, just to show that this is actually live. I'm going to change that to 8, and I'm going to put the data. If I scroll down here, you'll see there's one message in the queue. We can refresh this. And there you see on the right left hand side, it's just added that message to the sheet. I can do another one just for showing purpose. Paste, and let me change this number to 9 and that one to an 11. Put it in. And the row appears inside my sheet. And that's how easy it is to move data straight from MQ into Google Sheets with the help of AppConnect. Thank you for watching.